Just gonna say to Don Mardayaw, do not talk about politics. And this is good to hear that he will never talk about politics. So am I. I said, when I was in Nanay Banji's house, I never talk about politics. I always talk about Japan trip. I never talk about political affiliation. At least I always talk about the Japan trip. Oh, it's just like similar. Like I was remember from Teacher May. How did you visit there in Japan? And I said she talks to Jens Manaid when he was there in CDIFI. I've been in class with Teacher May. Jens Manaid's parents visited Japan second time together with Jens and his siblings. And I said they visited in Japan. Unlike me, I visited Japan. How many times I visited there? 8 times. Maybe many times I visited there. Oh, I just said before many times. This is what I gonna say to Kuya Kopio. Kuya Kopio and Ate Dina Guillermo and Alexandra Pagkalinawan and Sangkay Janjan and Romeo TV Vlog. Do not talk about politics. Even those Marcos loyalists, don't talk about political affiliation. Just to know, people out there, they hate Marcos. Some Marcos loyalists, they talk about political affiliation. They didn't understand with their, with their family members. Oh, look at Dan Mardayaw and Baham Hernando. Oh, they already stopped making political affiliation because both of them, they are non-political. Cedric Mariano, non-political. We have to be non-political too. It's too much politics, and I said why we should say non-political. We have to be non-political. I say again, Kuya Kopio, if you criticize Bongo, the ally of Rodrigo Duterte, he will never give you a malasakit center. Bongo had made all the malasakit center, including St. Luke's, Quezon City. That's what I born there. Let's say that Malasakit Center, there is MCU, hospital, other hospitals in Metro Manila, even the provinces. That was made by Bongo. If I were you, Kuya Kopio, if you have pneumonia, if someone who were you really confined in hospital, who will pay the hospital bill? Your family member, even your daughter, Kuya Kopio. If you say about against Bongo, he will never give you a malasakit center. And I say again, Kuya Kopio, hindi ka bibigyan ng malasakit center ni Senator Bongo. He will never ever give you a malasakit center. Ever you seen that you hate Rodrigo Duterte? That is your reflection, Kuya Kopio. Everyone hates Bongbong Marcos. And I say again, Kuya Kopio, if you don't understand from Teacher May Tiburcio's Civica about the history of the Philippines, as she described that Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. is the greatest robbery, magnanakaw pala si Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. Lalo na yung anak niya, si Bongbong Marcos. What if I say they are greatest robbery of the government? I'm just gonna say my own opinion, and Kuya Kopio, there is reflection. And among those Marcos loyalists, they should reflect themselves. Enough about fights. Me, as I'm anti-Marcos, I do not make argument. I have my own opinion. If I'm a pro Duterte, I have my own opinion. Can everyone, I could say, let's respect the opinion instead of fightings. This is really predictable. It's nonsense. Look at, I say to Mami Ellen Olea had joined to the Duterte supporters. Oh, she's become an anti-Marcos. Well, I say to Mami Ellen Olea, she is non-political. Oh, you have to be non-political too. Kuya Kopyo, if you don't want to be a non-political Kuya Kopyo, you will get you in trouble. Look at Danmar Dayaw, Kuya Danmar. Oh, he never talk about politics. He talks to his friends about Beatles. Oh, Beatles only he talks about. And he's not talking about politics. Can we just be a non-political too, Kuya Kopyo?